Most welcome, dear friends. In our last class we have just learned how we can insert images inside our web page, but inside this lecture we are going to learn how we can insert video and music inside our web page. So just go to Notepad++, and I have just already saved this page by giving the name video-music.html, and I'm just going to remove this. Inserting video and music in HTML is the title. For inserting video, you need to just insert video tag, and video is a double tag, not a single tag. So video, inside video we have source tag, source src $, close. The same way here you are just going to give the name of video, and the type of video is mp4, mkv, any type, so you must give. So the same way that we have just inserted images, if it is in the same folder, so we are just giving the name of video. So this just the name of this video is football, and just see the type is the type is mp4. So just paste the name of video football.mp4, Control S to save and launch in Chrome. Now you can see that we have a video here, but this is not playable. So you need to just use an attribute here, this called controls, and save this. I refresh. Now if you just zoom out, and you can see we can play this video from here. You can increase or decrease the sound, you can just go forward, you can just come back, you can just click for full screen, you can just like this. So I'm just going to decrease the sound from here, and this is the default size for this video. You can just define a new width and height for this video from here. Width is equal to, you can say, just 500, and height is the same, height is equal to 500. You can just save this and press F5 to refresh. Now you can see we have a new width and new height. You can see. Yes friends, inside this we can just use control attribute to just make available these options. When you are using just controls attribute, so this option will appear here, or this option will be visible. You can just use width and height, and you can just use here autoplay. If you want to just put this video on autoplay, after refreshing this video will be autoplay. You can see I'm just going to refresh this web page, so this video will be autoplay. And whenever you are using autoplay, you can just put your video on autoplay. So one more attribute we can just use here, this called title. You can just say first video, you can just give any title and save, refresh. So you can just see, move your mouse cursor here, first video, you can see it is appeared here, this called title. So this is just the way of inserting video from the same folder if your video is inside the same folder. But if your video is not in the same folder, so we are going to just learn video, then source tag, source, then src $, close. So for example, we have a video on the desktop. Go to just right click on the video, properties, and the same way copy the location address that we have done this way for image also. Control C and paste here, Control V. You can just copy the name, and the type is mp4. You can see Control C to copy the name, and here a backslash video name dot mp4. So here you can just define the width and height. You can just use all the attributes that you can use for video. For example, this can be 800, height can be something like 600, and you can just use controls attribute, autoplay, title, title, title. You can say second video, and once again save, refresh. This one is autoplay, and this one is not autoplay. You can just play this video, and you can just full screen, You can stop this video and you can see the title second video. So this is just the way of inserting video from the same folder and from anywhere else, like from your desktop or any other folder. You can just copy the location address and paste and a backslash, then the name of video with the type of video. Now we are going to just insert an audio here, and the type of that is mp3. For audio we have audio tag and we have a source tag src and close. source source. Now check the folder. We have just an audio. This is called audio. The name of this is audio and the type is mp3. So audio dot mp3, and you cannot just use the width and height attribute, but you can use controls autoplay if you want. You can just use autoplay. I'm not going to use. You can just use title here, for example audio audio. You can say song. Control S. Now come here and refresh. So you can see on the right corner we have just an audio. You can just stop, you can increase or decrease the volume, you can just go forward and come back. Anything you want you can just do. Yes friend, this is the way of inserting video and music inside your web page. And like always, I hope you are going to like this video and you have enjoyed from watching this video. So see you inside next lecture.